Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 USB microscopes for electronics, soldering, and laboratory use. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Zoom 2000X Biological HD Microscope 13 PCS Accessories. Designed for students and lab enthusiasts. This microscope offers 2000X magnification with LED lighting and USB connectivity. It includes 13 accessories and an electronic eyepiece, making it ideal for educational use and laboratory research. The advantages of this microscope are high magnification, 2000X, for detailed observations. LED lighting for clear visibility. Includes 13 accessories for a comprehensive setup. The disadvantages of this microscope are limited to biological applications. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Andonstar Trinocular AD249SM HDMI USB Digital Microscope. This 2000X Trinocular microscope features a 10.1-inch IPS LCD, perfect for electronic soldering and PCB inspections. It supports HDMI and USB output for versatile connectivity and easy viewing. The advantages of this microscope are high-quality 10.1-inch IPS LCD display, versatile HDMI and USB connectivity. The disadvantages of this microscope are relatively expensive compared to monocular options. At number 3. YIZHAN 48MP 4K USB HDMI VGA Digital Microscope. With a 48MP camera and 180x zoom, this digital microscope is excellent for phone repair and electronics work. It supports multiple outputs, USB, HDMI, VGA, for diverse applications and easy digital image acquisition. The advantages of this microscope are high-resolution 48MP camera for sharp images, multiple output options, USB, HDMI, VGA. The disadvantages of this microscope are may require additional equipment for optimal use. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. 1080p 48MP 4K 2K HDMI USB Video Microscope Camera. This 4K digital microscope offers 150x zoom and large field of vision, ideal for phone repair and digital image capture. Compatible with both HDMI and USB connections, it is perfect for professionals and hobbyists. The advantages of this microscope are 4K resolution for high-definition imaging, C-mount lens with 150x zoom, compatible with both HDMI and USB outputs. The disadvantages of this microscope are lower maximum zoom compared to other models, requires external monitors for optimal viewing. At number 1. 55MP 48MP 4K 1080p HDMI USB Video Microscope Camera. A versatile digital microscope featuring 1-130x zoom with an infinitely far C-mount lens and LED lighting. It supports both 4K and 1080p resolution, making it ideal for digital image acquisition tasks. The advantages of this microscope are adjustable zoom, 1-130x for various applications. Supports both 4K and 1080p resolution. LED lighting for enhanced visibility. The disadvantages of this microscope are limited zoom range compared to some other options.